guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my hair straight for about 3 weeks, and I'm currently on my 3-week mark. And as you guys can see, my hair is really frizzy at the roots. That's just because I've been on the London Underground, and if you know the London Underground, you know it's very humid. And yeah, so I'm going to be using the cheese silk infusion and my Moroccan argan oil from OGX, and I'm just going to spray that on my ends because my hair is quite dry at the moment. So yeah, I'm just going to spray that all around my hair and smooth it through. I'm also going to comb through my hair so it's ready to be wrapped. So the first method for keeping my hair straight is for me to tie my hair into a top knot ponytail. Yeah, I just like to do this to keep my roots as stretched as I can, even though they're not going to get straight again. It's just that I just like to do this just to keep my hair stretched, and it stops me from sweating all over my hair because it's quite humid in London at the moment. So once I've got my hair in my ponytail, I'm just going to twist it around into like a ninja bun, and yeah, I'll be ready to go to sleep. So what I'm going to do is use my silk scarf to wrap my hair, but sometimes when my hair gets really hot, I'll take the silk scarf off and just use my silk pillowcase. The next method I like to use is the obvious one, which is just to wrap my hair. I'm not really good at wrapping my hair because my hair is super duper thick and no one really taught me how to wrap my hair. So yeah, I'm not really the person to come for wrapping your hair, but you guys can check like YouTube channels out and just see how to wrap your hair if you don't know. It actually takes me quite a while to do, but yeah. So what I like to do when it's really humid or my scalp is really sweaty and itchy is use my Cantu shea butter dry co-wash. It has like apple cider vinegar and all that type of stuff in it, and it just really stops my hair from sweating out. And even though my hair has already sweat out, but I still like to use it just so my hair can last a little bit longer. So I'll just apply it on my scalp. I'll part my hair everywhere, and then once I'm done, I like to apply it on the rest of my hair, but I don't put too much, just a little bit, so my hair feels refreshed again. So I really do recommend this product if you have straight hair or you somebody who has like a silkier textured hair, I would say, to stop your hair from getting greasy if you don't really want to wash your hair straight away. So yeah, this is a really great product. I discovered it like a week ago and I haven't stopped using it. After that, I just like to apply some oil onto my hair just to make my hair feel a bit softer again. And that's basically it for how I keep my hair straight for about 3 weeks. At the end of the 3 weeks, I'll probably do a braid out and then just wash my hair. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you the next one. Bye guys.